How to fix your PC does not meet security requirements, BIOS framework update required in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4. First step, run Activation Attestation Wizard. Download the latest Call of Duty Secure Attestation Wizard from Activation official support page. Click download. Once the download complete after, you need to extract it and open. Wait for some time, it's downloading right now. Click it. Click on open it. Once opening after, you need to click run scan. Run a scan to check a TPM 2.0 and secure boot state. Look for result. Then after move on with next step. Check TPM 2.0. Open run and type the following text tpm.msc and check the status of TPM. The TPM is ready for use and the specification version is 2.0, and also verify the manufacturer name. If it's not having like this means you need to enable the TPM. Then move on with next step. Search for run and type the following text MSINF432. Click OK. A system information page will appear. In this you need to check for BIOS mode. It should be in UEFI and the secure boot state should be in on state. Check it. If it's not having like this means then you need to enable the BIOS mode and secure boot state. For this next step you need to enable TPM 2.0. Reset the PC and enter BIOS or UEFI. You can usually get this by repeatedly pressing delete F2 or F10. Immediately after turning the PC on, find the TPM settings. If you have AMD, then you go with the AMD FTPM or AMD CPU FTPM or firmware TPM. Set it to enabled. Any one of these have available. Set it to enabled. If you have Intel, go with Intel PPT or platform trust technology or security device support. Set it to enabled. Then move on with next step. Enable secure boot. Find secure boot. Set secure boot enable. CSM disable. Then save and reset. Then move on with next step. Click settings. Click Windows Update and make your Windows up to date. If there is any download or installation pending having means you need to download and install it and make your Windows up to date. Then reset your device. Thank you.